Welcome to Home Remodeling Virginia Beach by William Anna Contracting, where timeless design meets masterful craftsmanship. For over 30 years, we've reimagined the finest homes across Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, and Norfolk, bringing inspired visions to life with care and precision. Our work is defined by attention to detail and an unwavering commitment to quality. From elegant kitchen remodels to full-scale luxury renovations, every space is crafted to be both beautiful and functional. Whether you're dreaming of a custom kitchen or building a luxury estate, we deliver refined results with personalized service. Discover our exclusive patina finishes, hand-applied layers of gold, silver, and verdigris that bring understated elegance to any space. Ready to elevate your home? Reach out with your vision. Mr. Anderson's calendar books 3 to 6 months ahead, but we'll do our best to make it work. Let's begin the conversation.